Hello, in this video I will show you what's new in the draft Xray snapping behaviors. So let's add low poly, and I will move this and scale like so and subdivide maybe twice. Now if I enable draft Xray with snapping, you will see that only the selected part is snapped. It is because now you have to you will have now more control over the places that you want the add-on to affect. In past, the problem was that everything would be snapped, and in some corner places, maybe like in between fingers, if you had already created your low poly, then enable the snapping, it could mess up your topology, because snapping algorithm would have trouble if you want to snap to left finger maybe, or to right finger if they are too close together. And then you would have to manually fix those areas. But now you just select the places that you want the plugin to affect, and it should be easier to work with. I added two events for snapping that add-on is listening. One event by default is on geometry update, so selecting vertices won't snap them, but as soon as I will move them, they will be snapped. And every time you modify the topology, the vertices will be snapped. If you want, you can also change the snapping event to include select events, and now as soon as you select the vertices, they will be snapped. There is one disadvantage of this new workflow. For example, if I enable soft selection and move this like so, you can see that not selected verts are not affected. And in the past, the whole mesh was always attached to the surface, so this was not a problem. The workaround is now just to select the verts that you want to snap, and now they are looking okay. Similar problem can happen if you use smoothing. So for example, if I smooth those verts, you see they are not attached to the surface, but just select those verts and smooth them now. You will see that this is smooth and attached to the head correctly. So hopefully the advantages of new workflow will be bigger than this one single disadvantage, and I hope you will like this update, and see ya.